Okay.
Okay.
That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Wow, I wonder what that is.
We're gonna do that after.
Oh,
Get
it's a
this out of the
baby
way.
doll.
Dad.
One end of the couch.
David.
It's not
I'll
yours.
come over and talk to you about it.
I think he was just helping.
You found one.
What is that?
I don't know how to pull it all the way out.
Pull the end. Pull the end. Here, pull right here.
David!
He's just trying to help.
There, what is it?
Is that a kite?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a
Oh, it
kite.
is a kite.
That
Cool.
flies in the sky, yeah.
It's a Cars one.
And you fly it in the sky.
That is awesome.
Go to the park.
Have you
Bring
ever
it with
flown
you
a
on
kite
Saturday.
before? No. All right. Learn something.
Hey, open it.
It's a box kite, yeah.
Open it.
Box kite?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have to put it together, you and your dad.
Doesn't seem
Put
so
it together
excited.
later.
Well, you know, box kites are actually way better.
All right,
than
next
this.
one.
We got-
Okay,
Who's that
next.
from?
Who's that from?
When you get
Yeah,
so
that's from
much,
Grandma.
Grandma and Grandpa.
unless you buy a big tail on them, man.
Yeah, Gobi.
I call it a Cars movie.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Who's that?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Is that Spider-Man 3?
I think it's the first one, or is it the second?
Two.
Two.
Oh, okay.
Stickers
we're both
covering
wrong.
it. Yeah. Cool. You have to watch that.
Just make the pie.
Oh, who do you think that one's for?